With a devastating injury that ended his football career, this all-American self-made entrepreneur has built a business empire that generates over $20 million a year.
$20 million a year. It's a big number. Let's talk about how you can make $1,000 per day. Well, this video is a 31-minute long video that nobody has time for. So I have done the hard work for you. I used AI and analyzed the whole video and found 6 steps to his $20 million per year business. And you will not like the step number 4. Oh, I have a good news. I found step number 2 and step number 6 are totally useless. So you are left with only 3 steps that you will be using to make this money. Step 1.
Sacrifice is not only important, it is a part of success.
Well, that's BS. You don't need to make sacrifices. All you need is to find a problem that others are ready to spend money for. Step number 3 is the best one. With this, you can start with 0 risk.
You don't wait till you have all the pieces to start building the thing. You use what you have to do what you can.
Absolutely. Start small with what you have. Before I make you upset, here is step number 5 that makes me and my students money. And you are going to make money in one single step. I'll tell you that in a moment, but here is step number 4. It says, embrace failure and learn from your mistakes. But I say that's BS, because in step number 5, you learn from others and you get results with 99% done for you. So here is what we do. Instead of doing all this and make our life hard, we use AI and learn valuable skills and knowledge. Then based on that, we make simple, short videos just like this one and publish them across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms send us viewers, and our viewers go through an automated high-ticket affiliate funnel. This automated funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when somebody purchases from us, we make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. That's the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. And the reason our students love our program the most is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.